Good morning, students. Today we'll continue exercise 5.3 fifth problem. So first I'll read the question. Pratibha borrows 47,000 rupees from a finance company to buy her first car. The rate of simple interest is 17% and she borrows the money over a 5-year period. Find how much amount Pratibha should repay the finance company at the end of 5 years. Her equal monthly repayments. Okay, this is the question. So what you have to do is the rate of simple interest. So this is very important. Simple interest or compound interest. So it will be given in the question itself and you have to see that one. And sum borrowed is called principal. So how much amount she borrowed from the company, finance company? 47,000. So P value is 47,000 and how many years she kept means 5 years and rate of interest is 17%. So by reading the problem, whatever given, I have to write given here. So I am writing here given, that is principal. Sum borrowed is called principal. Already I said principal is denoted with small p and its value is 47,000 rupees. So I wrote as it is. Rate of interest rate of interest how much they given? 17%. Time period, so how much time he means when he will pay, means within 5 years or 5 years duration he asked. So 5 years. Now simple interest, formula for simple interest. Simple interest is denoted with I. Its formula is PTR by 100. What is the formula for simple interest? I is equals to PTR by 100. So is equal to below is equal to, you have to keep it. P is there. So what is P? P means 47,000. So instead of writing P, in place of P you have to write 47,000. P after T is there. Between P and T there is no symbol, means into you have to keep it. T. T means time period. How much it is? 5. What is R? 17 by 100. So PTR by 100 you got it. 2 zeros you have to cancel. So 17 5s you are getting 85. 85 into 470. 85 into 470. 7 5 is 35, 5 3, 7 8 is 56 plus 3, 59. 4 5 is 20, 0 2, 4 8 is 32 plus 2, 34. So you are getting a 39,950. 39,950 is the answer. What is this? This 39,950 is he has to pay interest only. He has to pay interest. Okay. So total amount. First question what he asked, how much amount Pratibha should repay the finance company. So already amount is having a formula, principal plus interest. Principal plus interest. So what is principal? 47,000. How much interest he has to pay? 39,950. So for 39,950 he has to add 47,000. So 0598. So you are getting a 86,950 rupees. So at the end of 5 years he has to pay this much amount. Okay, this is the amount which Pratibha should pay to the finance company. Now A bit is completed. Now you have to go for B bit. What he asked here? Her equal monthly repayments. Her equal monthly repayments means this amount he can't give at a time after 5 years. So monthly repayment means 1 year, in 1 year has 12 months, isn't it? For 1 year, how many months will be there? Means 12 months. For 5 years, how many months will be there? For 5 years has 5 into 12 months, means 60 months. So, monthly repayment is equals to 86,950 divided by 60. Okay, means 86,950 divided by 60 means like this. So divisibility rule of 3, if you see it, 6 plus 8, 14, 19, 28, it won't go in 3 table. So 88,695, 8,695 divide with 6. 6 ones are 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. 6. 6 fours are 24. 2, 9. 6 5s are 30. 6 fours are 24. 55. 6 8s are 6 9s are 54. 10. Point. 6 1s are 6. 40. 40 means 6 6 6 7s otherwise. Means the answer is 1449.17. This much amount he has to pay every month. Then after 5 years exactly it will be next. This fifth problem is completed. Once again just pause and see it. Maybe in answer they given 0.1. So 17 you can write it 2 digits because 16 you are getting. Next we will go for next problem, that is the population of Hyderabad was 68 lakhs 9,000 in the year 2011. If it increase at the rate of 4.7% per annum, what will be the population at the end of the year 2015? Okay, so you should understand that you have to use the formula of simple interest or compound interest. How you have to know is, see, increase will be there every year. So here the population of Hyderabad in 2011 68 lakhs 9,000 is there. So 2012 its population will be increases, further percentage will be there. Means this principle is going on changing. So this becomes compound interest. So you have to use the formula for compound interest, so that you will know when you are doing more problems. Okay, now sixth question I am taking as population of Hyderabad in the year 2011. So writing if I have write writing is population of Hyderabad in the year 2011 was 68 lakhs 9,000. Okay, rate of increase of population, rate of increase of population, it is 4.7% per annum. And then next 2015 he asked, at the end of 2015. So 2011 given, 15 you want. So next how it will be 2012, 13, 14, 15 means 4 years. You can keep number of means time period is 4 years you are taking. Time period is 4 years. Then formula to be used, A is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. P means you are taking 68 lakhs 9,000. R means 4.7 by 100. N means 4. So 68 lakhs 9,000 as it is here. 1 plus this point it has to go means 4.7. How you can write 47 by 10? So same 47 by already 100 is there. If you write one more 10 into 100, it becomes 1000 here. Okay, then power 4. So 68 lakhs 9,000 is as it is, into, if you take LCM, it becomes 1047 by 1000 into, like this, how many times? 4 times you have to take it. Four times you have to write it. So one time here it will be cancelled. Okay. Now you have to do multiplication. That is, in rough paper you can do 1047 into 1047. 7 7 is 49, 9 4, 7 4 is 28 plus 4 32, 2 3, 3, 7 1 is 7. Okay, next now with 4, 4 7 is 28, 8 2, 4 4 is 16 plus 2 18, 8 1, 1, 4 1 is 4. With 0 means zeros only will come. With 1 means 1047. 9 10 0 1, 11 12 2 1, 8 16 6 1, 9 0 1. So again this you have to multiply with this one only. How means 1096,209 into this one. If you multiply, how much you are getting? So this you have to multiply with this one. 9 9 is 81, 1 8, 8 will come, 9 2 is 18, 8 1 will come, 9 6 is 54, 55, 5 5, 9 9 is 81 plus 5, 86, 6 8, 8, 9 1 is 9. Okay. Now with 0 if you multiply, you will get zeros only like this. With the 2 if you have to multiply, 2 9s are 18, 8, 1, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 1, 2 9s are 18 plus 1, 19, 9 1, 1, 2 1s are 2. Next with the 6 you have to multiply, 6 9s are 54, 5, 6 is 12, 2 1, 36 plus 1, 37, 7 3, 54 plus 3, 57, 7 5, 6 1s are 6. With the 9 if you multiply, you are getting same thing, this one, yes or no? I am writing here same, 1 8 8 5 6 8 9. With the 0 if you multiply, all zeros you have to write it. Okay. With 1 if you multiply, you have to write same number. Okay, 902691. Now you should add 1 8 8 plus 8 is 16 6 1, 5 6 4 10 11, 1 2 7 11 17 7 1, 9 11 13 21 1 2 11 20 27 35 44 4 4 5 12 17 7 1 3 8 14 16 6 1 15 21 1 2 0 2 2 1. So you got this much. Okay, now I am writing as it is here. Again this you have to multiply with 68. Okay, I will do it. 6809 is there into, if you multiply all the numerator you got here 1 2 0 1 674171681 by how many zeros are there? 3, 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros and 1. Means 9 digits before you can keep a point here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means this becomes 6809 into 1201.67. So 7 after what you have, 4, 1 is there. So you can remove this one. Now you should multiply again this one. That is, you should multiply with 6809. You should multiply with 1201.67. 9 7 is 63, 3 6. 9 6 is 54 plus 6 is 60, 0 6. 9 plus 6 is 15, 5 1. 1. 9 2 is 18, 8 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. With 9 you multiplied. Now with 0. So with 0 if you multiply, all zeros will come. With 8, 8 7 is 656, 6 5. 8 6 is 48 plus 5 is 53, 3 5. 8 plus 5 is 13, 3 1. 1. 8 is 16, 6 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Again I will do 8 7 is 56, 6 5. 8 6 48 plus 5 53, 3 5. 8 plus 5 again 13, 3 1. 1. Correct. Now 6. 6 7 is 42, 2 4. 6 6 is 36 plus 4 is 40, 0 4. 6 plus 4 is 10, 0 1. 1. 6 to 12 to 1. 7. 3 0 11. 1 3 6 7. 11 1. 2 8 11 1 8. So how much you got? I am writing here. 8182171103. You got this much, but point is there before two digits or not? You have to keep here point. Means approximately you can write 81821171. So the population becomes 81,82,171. So in this, the difficulty is just multiplication. Multiplication, if you know, you can do these problems. If you don't know multiplication, you can't do it. Okay. So thank you. We will see remaining in the next class. Okay.